Chevre, so we popped into Hafi's over here. I get Mr. Hafi. Give I tuned the mic clip because we're here today about a new device that's actually playing in your store. What's on now? All for the boss. Wow. By Herman.
Naki Bolt.
Naki Bolt. Okay. So let me hear a little about this new device, the Naki Bolt.
Naki is a kosher audio player.
Kosher audio player.
Strictly kosher. You have so many, you can get shiurim, you can get music.
1 minute, so all these shiurim are on the Naki?
On the Naki radio.
Look at that.
24 hours a day.
Stefanski. You're saying from the father,
right,
which enjoys his Daf Yomi shiur, any shiur for that, to the children. I see Rabbi all for the boss. That's audiobooks. That means he kind of reads the stories.
And podcasts you have also on it.
Really?
Yes. And plus kids music.
Music.
And you have Sphira music, no Sphira.
So basically it's Hackabak. So it used to be the Naki radio, which had radio channels and only certain channels.
Right.
This is more like just like every Jewish music. So Naki radio didn't have all Jewish music. It had some. This has every new CD that comes out is on here.
Whatever is Jewish is on this
audio. If it's Jewish, it's on this audio. Unbelievable how it has children's stories, adult music, everything. And it's a speaker for itself also.
It's a built-in speaker, and it has a headphone jack also to listen privately.
So if one wants to listen by himself, unbelievable. So you can either search by titles over here, or you can search by collections. You have the 613 collection, you have Abigazint, you have Taryag. Unbelievable. Thousands of stories. You could just scroll, and it never ends.
Never ends.
Shmuel Kunde. Yeah, Ali Scheller. Unbelievable. Shlomi, what was your best Shmuel Kunde CD over here?
Oh, Shmuel Kunde is a classic.
He's a classic. What was his best? Papa and the Prince, The Magical Yarmulke, The Magical Yarmulke.
Magic Yarmulke, that's
you know which song I love the best in The Magical Yarmulke?
Which one?
Okipa.
You remember that?
Yeah, we grew up on it.
Shmuel Kunde, wow.
We grew up with Shmuel Kunde, Lower East Side.
And also they have 4 different models, by the way.
4 different models. The Naki Pulse.
The Pulse Max, which is a stereo.
Okay.
And then they have the Bolt, which is this one we're displaying here.
That's the one that's playing over here. This is the Bolt over here, okay.
And this one is for the car.
Naki audio, what does that mean? How does it work with the car?
It goes for the car with Bluetooth. It's a
you think it connects to the car system and you have everything uploaded in your car?
Driving up to the country in summer.
That's fascinating.
Every song listed.
So the Naki is beautiful, it's durable. Plug comes with a plug, a headphone jack. Beautiful box, comes with a wire, comes in a nice packaging, nice and beautiful. Naki Bolt, available in any store around you, Chevre. Check it out. Of course at Hafi's. Check it out, Hafi Bolt. Comes in 4 different models. Get the one that's best for you. Thank you, Hafi. Have a great day. Naki Bolt.